This may come as a shock to a lot of you if you've been following me for a long time, but one thing I'm not going to spend a lot of money on anymore is skincare. But I want to explain why. There is some that I still will spend money on, but there's just some things that I'm just not going to anymore. Um, so I'm going to get into it. There's some things that I'm currently testing out that are considerably less expensive than some of the other products that I was using. And I'm not stopping using them because they weren't good products. They've just gotten really expensive. I shared a video on Skin Rocks and why I stopped using that brand. And I really like a lot of their products. I think a lot of their products are really good. I just think the price point is just ridiculous when you have to constantly replenish it. It's nothing against the brand. They can charge whatever they want to charge. But even my beloved Truth Treatments, I love Truth Treatments. I do. I will say with that vitamin C, it does last a lot longer than the Carolyn Hirons brand, okay? Which is the Skin Rocks. But you do have to use 3 things to use the vitamin C because it's very thick. One of the ingredients that makes the Truth Treatment so good, in my opinion, is I hope I'm going to pronounce this right, the hexahexazoline ascorbate, which is the THD, is what it's known as, um, vitamin C. And so I was looking for a product that had it in there, and a lot of brands now have it. And I found this brand right here. So this brand is called Byrana. This is just one that I found as I was searching. This retails for $30.99. You get this one. It's interesting. It's actually manufactured in Schaumburg, Illinois, and I know exactly where that's at because that's where I'm from Illinois. And this is 1 fluid ounces. I believe this is a Korean brand. And what it says on here is it says, unveil your skin's potential with our vitamin C formula formulated with hexahexazoline ascorbate. I know I'm not pronouncing it right. I'm going to put it up here so you guys don't lose your mind. Some of you guys have to correct me. You don't have to correct me. Okay. An advanced stable form of vitamin C that deeply penetrates to deliver transformative results while maintaining gentle on the skin, enhanced with robust antioxidant properties, vitamin E and ferulic acid boosted by matrixyl 3000 to promote collagen synthesis. So I decided to try this. I'm going to tell you so far, I am really, really enjoying this vitamin C serum. So it's in a plastic, it's all, closed up. You can't see how much is in there. Has got a little pump on there. I'll squirt out a little bit here for you so you can see what it looks like. It's more of a cream, which is very similar to this is very similar to the Skin Rocks formula. It is scented slightly. That smells kind of orangey, vitamin C. I don't know why they have to put it in there, but I don't mind it. I know some of you can't do scents. I will look at the ingredients really quick and I'll tell you where the fragrance is on it because it's not really strong. Ingredient list. Actually, there isn't a fragrance in there. It's not an added fragrance. It's actually, yeah, there is no added fragrance in here. The scent of it is mandarin, orange peel, and it's all the way at the bottom. And I'm going to zoom you in so you can screenshot it, whatever. So those are the ingredients in it. And you can see that vitamin C is listed it's pretty close to the top there. So there's a lot of it in it. And I have been loving this, and it's so much less expensive than the Skin Rocks and the Truth Treatments. Again, both amazing vitamin C's, but it just gets expensive, you guys. I know that I spend a lot on my makeup, but I'm telling you right now, if I never bought anything else for the rest of my life, I would be set with my makeup. And makeup lasts a lot longer than skincare. Skincare does not. So replenishing every 3 to 4 months gets crazy when it's products like this, okay? like a vitamin C serum where they're making it where it's to me, it's more affordable. It might still be expensive for you, but look at the price of what I was paying for it. I was paying a lot more for Skin Rocks and Truth Treatments, and I believe I was getting about the same amount too with Skin Rocks. So I'm going to tell you I recommend this. I really, really am loving this. So I'm definitely planning on repurchasing it if anything changes. This looks so washed out. This is there you go. That's what it looks like. It's like a bright orange. My lights are washing it out. I wish I could have my lights better. I feel like I look washed out sometimes. But if I don't have the right lights and I have shadows, this is a really short, it's a very, very dark room to be filming in. But anyways, this stuff is phenomenal. Highly recommend it. Then let's talk about cleansers. I really like this cleansing balm from Carolyn Hirons again. Wonderful. Smells amazing. I'm getting to the bottom of it. I love Colleen Rothschild as well. But it's just so expensive for a cleanser. Now, I've not tried this one yet, so this will be an update with you because I'm trying to finish this. But I know my daughter likes this, so I decided to pick this up, and this one is actually from e.l.f. And this is their makeup melting cleansing balm. Has hyaluronic acid, ceramide peptides, which mean nothing really. Just take my makeup off. Maybe a slight scent to it. See what this is like. And feels kind of oily-ish, but feels nice. Yeah, like a light scent to it, but we'll see how it goes. I will let you know. I'm going to try this out, and I will update you guys again, but I'm just tired of paying a lot for cleansers. There's another cleanser. By the way, I'm not saying that any of this is a dupe for anything that I'm using, but I've been looking for skincare that's going to replace some of the things that aren't like this was a shock to me to find this. This was like, "Oh my gosh, okay." But I'm just looking to replace some of the things that I feel like I replace really often, and I like, as far as my calcium cream, if I can find something like that, I will let you know, okay? But something like that, I don't mind spending a little bit more money on because I feel like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find something like that. And I do feel like it's helped my skin a lot, and I wanna keep using it. I don't replace it as often. Like, I do have to replace it. It is expensive, but I probably replace it maybe 3 times a year, 4 times, something like that. Still a lot. I know, but it's right now, it's not something I can just buy somewhere, but I'll keep looking, okay? I'll see if I can find something similar. So, something else that I have been, loving is the Is Clinical Cleanser. So the Is Clinical Cleansing Complex retails for $49, and that's a lot for a cleanser. But what I like about it, it has salicylic acid in it, which I like because I have oily skin and I tend to have breakouts. So I like to use it as a double cleanse and the first cleanser that I use in the morning. So I found this one. Okay. So this is called Panoxyl. It's an acne gel wash, and this has 2% salicylic acid in it. I don't know what the percentage of the salicylic acid that the Is Clinical has in it. Doesn't really say the percentage that it has in it, but this one retails for $10.99. This retails for $10.99, so it's a lot less expensive. And since I use it all the time, I wanted to try this. Now, the difference I will say with this is when I use it, it's a little bit heavier. I feel like when I put it on, it looks like I have white on my face, if you will. You know what I mean? So I feel like it's a little bit thicker. So I thin it down then with a little bit more water and I really massage it in. So it's a little bit more like that. But so far I'm liking it. It's not irritating on my skin. It hasn't been drying on my skin. So I'm really, really liking this. I wouldn't say it's exactly the same as the other one, but I feel like it's a really good alternative for me. So if you use the Is Clinical and it's kind of getting out of your price range, I would give this one a try. So I really am enjoying using it. It's kind of funny that they're both in a blue bottle, but I was just looking for one, and this is the one that came up for me in my search, and I decided to try it. Something else that I really don't like spending money on as much is a moisturizer. I don't. Um, even when it has peptides in it, and I think it's really, really important, but it's just getting I just feel like it's getting out of hand. Have you noticed that? I just feel like the skincare is getting so expensive and crazy, and especially when you use it so much. Now, there was one that I really loved and I repurchased it for years, but I am not buying anymore because it's just getting out of hand, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Like, I was gonna get it at the Sephora sale, and even with my discount, it's like, no, no, absolutely not, I'm not. So, I found this. This is from CeraVe, and this is their Skin Renewing Night Cream. The ingredients are similar. I wouldn't say it's a dupe, but they have similar ingredients, okay? And it definitely is the same kind of a texture. It's kind of a thick cream. I'm going to hold it back there. Yeah, so you can see. It's very similar to Charlotte Tilbury. And I have been wearing this under my makeup. I wear it at nighttime, and I am loving it. And there's no scent to it. And this one, I believe, retails for, let me see. I feel like it retails for $10.99. I will tell you what the price is. So this is a 1.7 ounces. We'll do the comparison. This retails for $15.49 at Target or wherever you want to go. It might be slightly different somewhere else, but this one, this size retails for $15.49. And I'm going to tell you what Charlotte Tilbury. Her 1 point, is that true? And even now, and I have a refill too, by the way. I have a refill with her magic cream, and it doesn't seem like there's not much of a price difference, okay? So the 1.7 ounce in her magic cream is $100. If you want to get the refill, it's $90. It's not really much of a difference. It's not really in like it's a $10 difference. It's not that big of a deal. So no. This is really good. This is really good. Yeah. If you like magic cream, I think you're going to like this. So, one area I have not found any dupes for yet, but I'll keep looking, is under eye cream. I don't mind paying a little bit more for that. And the thing about eye cream for me personally is I do not go through eye cream like crazy. I don't. I feel like eye cream can last me many months. But I will look. I will keep looking and see if I can find an eye cream. But as far as like anything that has like growth factors or things like that, I don't think I'm going to find that at the drugstore. But I don't use a lot of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't. There's some things that I will spend a little bit more money on, but this is stuff I will not. I am looking at trying a different retinol too as well, but unfortunately, the retinols that I'm looking at, I feel like that's one thing that is quite expensive. I haven't tried Medicate, but I'm thinking about trying Medicate. It is a little bit less expensive than Truth Treatments, and I find, well, it depends, I guess, what strength you get, I should say. But I'm thinking about trying that. So I will let you know unless you know of a retinol that's really good. The thing about retinol that I really do like about the Skin Rocks one, and I liked about Truth Treatments, is both of those. I didn't have a bunch of peeling going on, and I don't want that continual peel, peel, peel. Because I feel like then what's the point if I'm just gonna have my skin's just gonna be peeling off? I'm never gonna be able to wear makeup. My skin's gonna look like crap. And I was getting that, but I haven't had that. So I might try that unless I can find one at the drugstore. But I don't think there's anything that would work for me and my aging skin from the drugstore. But I'm gonna keep searching, you guys, because I'm getting sick and tired of paying a lot for skincare. And I'm not going to say skincare is cheap even at the drugstore. It's not. Some of it can be kind of expensive, but even sunscreens are ridiculous too. Because if you're constantly putting them on, like I live in Florida, so we're always putting sunscreen on here. It gets expensive because you're applying it and you're reapplying and you're reapplying. You know what I'm saying? Um, but I just needed to do this. I needed to get some other options. And you might be like me too. You might be like, you know what? I like using this stuff, but I just need cheaper alternative, that's where I'm at. I do think it's important to use good skincare, but I feel like drugstore skincare has gotten a lot better. You're not gonna get it all at the drugstore, I don't think. I think there's things that are better. But I'm gonna be searching. I'm gonna be searching and looking for brands that are a little bit less because I'm just tired of it. But you guys know, like, that's my thing. That's what I do. I do skincare and I use gadgets. I don't do needles. I don't get procedures. I've never had procedures done. I just don't do any of that. I do everything at home. But I think there's some areas that I can, like, I don't have to spend that much in a cleanser. I'd rather take that money and use it for my calcium cream. You know what I mean? Kind of a thing. So if you have dupes that you have tried, or maybe not dupes, but products that you find are just as good as maybe some of the other popular things, skincare wise, retinols, whatever, let me know in the comments because it could be something that I will test out. I'm pretty happy with these right now. I don't know if I'm going to test any more vitamin C serums or not. I would have to wait until I'm done with this. One thing I don't do anymore either is I used to test out a lot more skincare, like I would buy stuff and then it was hard for me to use it all up because I only have one face, you know what I mean? And I can't put it all on at once, so I don't test as much unless companies send it to me, I don't. Um, but anyways, yes, please share in the comments below if there are things that you've tested out that you feel like are just as good but lot less expensive. Let me know in the comments because I know a lot of you guys are buckling up your spending belts. You know what I mean? And I understand that. And I just I'm not necessarily doing that, but I'm just getting tired of replenishing things over and over and over again. I just feel like it's a waste of money when I can find things that are just as good. So that's kind of where I'm at. So anyways, thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, and comment on the video. Helps push them out to algorithm. Would really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.